how to adjust video color and brightness in InShot. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'll show you how to adjust video color, brightness and overall look using the InShot app. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up the InShot app and then tap on video and then choose your clip that you want to edit. Now, swipe to the left and then tap on effect. Now, after you tap on effect, you can see that you can choose various effects of like basic, glitch, fade, blur. So these are the categories that you can choose from. And then once you find the edit that you want, just tap on it and tap on the check mark option. Come back and then go to adjust. Now here in the adjust tab, you can see options like lightness. So you can increase it to increase the brightness. You can increase the contrast or decrease it if you want to. You can do the same with warmth, tint, saturation, and curves. So after you're done, just hit the check mark and then you can even put in filters if you want to. There are various filters that you can choose from. And then after adding filters too, you can go to adjust and adjust it. So it's as simple as that and it will make your video look better. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.